The moment I'm talking to you in English.
Ahora estoy hablando en español. Und jetzt spreche ich mit dir auf Deutsch.
I don't know any other languages, but with HeyGen, I can upload my video, copy my voice, and change it into lots of different languages that you can pick. And now you can do this too. Let me guide you through it.
HeyGen Labs helps you translate videos into different languages using AI. First, make sure you have an account and log into labs.heygen.com. If you want to use HeyGen, make sure to use the link in the description down below. Then click on Drop to Upload to add your video. There are some requirements for the video. Keep the duration between 30 seconds and a minute. Try to avoid background music or lots of people in the video, as they can affect the translation quality. Once your video is uploaded, choose the language you want it translated to. There are 29 languages to pick from. Click Translate this video, and it'll cost you 1 credit per minute of video. Your video will join a queue for translation, so you might have to wait. You can skip the line by upgrading your plan. You get credits each month based on your subscription, starting from $24 for 15 credits up to $192 for 120 credits. Remember, a half credit equals 30 seconds, and the credits reset monthly. When it's done, you can repeat the process for more languages. If you want to use HeyGen, make sure to use the link in the description down below. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.